To my e-estate sign up video. In this video, I will show you how to sign up in this platform easily. It's quite easy to sign up. So I'm going to dive right in and show you how to do that. So once you click on my link that I have given to you, okay, the link may be in the video description below, or you have spoken to me and I sent you the link. When you click on the link, this is the page that is actually going to open for you. Okay, so you can click on join now, okay, to start joining and registering your account straight away. If you choose not to join immediately, as long as you've clicked on my link, okay, let's assume that you decided to go through all these tabs: home, about, tokenization, e-wallet, buyer, agents, partners, help center, become agent. If you decided to go through all of these after clicking my link that I gave you, if you come back to sign up, there will be a sign up button right at the top right corner here. So click on that. When you click on that, this page will open, which is the registration page, the sign up page. Now, you want to confirm that I am your sponsor if you are using my link to sign up for this platform. Okay, and all my details are there for you to check to make sure that I am your sponsor, and then you fill out all of this information here. Okay, so you are going to fill out your name, fill out your last name, fill out your address, fill out your email, and then create your own password and put your date of birth. Okay, make sure all this information is correct. You don't want to make any mistakes in either your spelling or your house address or your email or your date of birth, because you need this information to be the same as your government ID that you are going to submit for KYC for later during this process. Okay, so once you have completed all of these sections, all you need to do is to click create account. Once you hit the button create account, this page will open for you to complete your KYC. Now, right here on my left hand side here, they are telling you that the account will be deleted within 30 days if you do not complete the verification procedure and invest in tokenized real estate. Okay, so my advice and my recommendation is make sure you click start verification so that you get verified immediately. Okay, so once you hit the button start verification, this page will open for you. In this page, you are going to see two steps that you are going to take. The first step is to upload your government ID card, and then the second step is to take a selfie. Now, bear in mind that on this verification page is going to redirect you to third party that is responsible for identity verification, which is your KYC. So at the bottom here, you will have the option to click continue on the same device you are using, if you are using a computer, or you click continue on a mobile phone. Okay, when you click continue on a mobile phone, if you are not using mobile phone to do this, it's gonna ask you to scan a QR code to continue from there, okay, with your phone. But if you are using computer, you just click continue on this device and this page will open up for you. When this page open up for you, it's asking you to confirm your country of residence. So if you are not in the United States, you select the first one. If you are in the United States, you select the second one. Okay, once you select the second one, you click continue. When you click continue, this page will open for you to select your country. So you will now select your country. Your country that you are going to select here will be the one you are going to submit the government ID card. Okay, so for me that is recording this video, I am in the United Kingdom, so I select United Kingdom here. Okay, and then they will tell you the type of document you want to submit: the ID card, passport, resident permit, driver's license. Choose one out of all of these four. Okay, so once you've selected your country, you select the document you want to, the type of document you want to upload. You click continue. When you click continue, it's going to allow you to upload your government ID card. So then upload it. If it is on your mobile phone, just go to where you have it and upload it through your mobile phone. If it's on your laptop or computer, upload it from there. Once you have completed the upload, this page will automatically open for you to do your selfie. Okay, so once you have completed your selfie, okay, remember you have to take photo of yourself to show and confirm that you are the real person doing this registration or sign up. So once you've completed that, this page will open. Okay, and then once this page is open, you will see where it says we are processing your data. Your verification status will appear here, and boom, once that is completed, you will get email sent to you saying that your account is now verified. Let's unlock your real estate opportunities. Boom, you sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, the first thing you will see is your dashboard. So once you are on your dashboard, the next steps that I want you to take is to make sure that you secure your account and you enter and store your withdrawal address for the cryptocurrency you want to use to withdraw, because it's cryptocurrency that we use to deposit, and that is the same kind of cryptocurrency we use to withdraw our profit from this platform. Okay, so once you are on your dashboard, the next thing I will ask you to do, or I will recommend you should do, is to set up your withdrawal pin. Okay, so look at the top right of your account where your name is appearing. Click on it. There will be a drop down, and then click account security. That will now take you into your account security section, and you will be able to set up your withdrawal pin. Once your withdrawal pin is set up, I would like you to also add your withdrawal address. So what you then need to do is to click on payment methods, and then go and copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address, paste it there if you want to use that. Otherwise, there are other options. For example, they have the USDC BEP20, they have Bitcoin if you want to withdraw through Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, they have Litecoin, they have BNB, they have Solana. They have different options here for you. You must have at least one of these withdrawal, wallets addresses that they are looking for. So pick one and put one there, or you can even enter more wallet address just like this. Okay, so I entered a couple of different wallet address options for me. So once you have done that, you click send email verification code. They will now send email verification code to your email. Go copy your code, enter the code there, click save, and that will now save your settings. Now, after that, you click on security. Okay, this is the last bit to make sure that your account is secure. So therefore, you click and scan this QR code here to enable your 2FA. Once you click and scan it, you will now go to your mobile phone and enter the 6-digit authenticator code on this section, and then you click enable 2FA, and that will be your account set up. Your account is ready. So congratulations, you have completed setting up your account. You are now ready to deposit and purchase fraction of a property. So please sit back and watch the next video on how to deposit and purchase your fraction of a property that you are looking to do in this platform. Guys, thank you and welcome to eEstate.